There's always something wicked, no matter how good things are or seem to be. Transylvania was saved indeed. But of course, it doesn't mean that the world is safe. Rasputin and his minions, including the fear-inducing Gorgon, followed her through the portal. Now it's time to stand against darkness, defend the towers, and close the damned portal once and for all. These heroes will help you.
Let's light it up!
I prefer to act carefully, but it's time to fight.
Our strikes will be swift.
Your goal is to prevent Rasputin, Gorgon, and the hordes they're leading from destroying the towers. If you manage to hold off the enemies for long enough, the mages will accumulate enough energy to shut the portal closed. If you don't, the filth will spread all over the world, marking the end of it. There's a whole abyss of content, including the new commanders and various ship skins, which you'll be able to find in Halloween containers and in the store. Join the valiant defenders of the world. Don't let Rasputin win, and of course, turn the tide.